here. Yeah, fence. Everything blow down, people. I'll just stick them have to use and catch up there, so. So I'll just stick there and see the setty there, so one powerful stick, you know. Come here to say, you know, it nah move, you know. It nah move, but the only part of the fence will move. Everywhere on the fence move but there, so. I never got in the rain. You get me? Put that little stick there right there, so you see. You understand? Yeah man, thank you lady NC. Stay safe. Yeah man, that little stick there when you see there, so man, powerful stick man, I tell you man, God is good here man. Yo, God is so good. Yo, I tell you G. Yeah man, God is so good. People now play no much I know, you know, cause this is a storm time now. Much you know play a storm time now. I my friend Desha, Tikiana, Wagwan. Alright. Yeah man, you just have to pray for Jamaica, you know. Understand. You see that little roof, that little thing over there, so that 4 foot over there, you know. But we don't know if the brother take out the fall them over there. He probably take them out still. You see me? Yeah man, there man, there man. I'm going on holiday. This sign, where is this? Kingston. Yeah man, I say man. Sasha. Sasha, love. And a joking boy, I have a friend. Serious thing, boy, man. Storm come, you there. I say, man. There, man. No, look the joke. Thanks for the follow. Militant gang. Yeah, just rain and win. But the win them heavy still, you know. Oh, man, I tell you, say, oh, the win them heavy, oh. The wind them heavy. Yeah man, thanks to all who are pray for Jamaica man. You see me? Thanks to all who are pray for JA, no little joke. Take up the plate them man. No man, they can't stay out there so man. You know say them part there, the part that I use still, them, what I say now, them on the shelf around in the kitchen. But them I want to use this morning like my fried egg and them something there is I make breakfast. So me put them out there but through the rain, I don't know. Now I'm really too staying in the rain, you get me? Dog said take out the plate them man. Lawless. London to Kingston, yeah man, at one place man. Big up over London, you know. Why them outside? I just explain a while ago. I use them this morning, I make breakfast this morning. But through the rain, I have to just put them out there. You understand? End of the day, they want to wash up. No, I can't go take them up right now. You see me? Can't take them up right now. Can't take them up. I swear I can't take them up. Kingston 12. We in Kingston 12. There, I can't go take them up right now. I swear. They have to just stay out there. We can buy back $1 million pot if them blow it. Alright, Nini, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nini. Yeah man, I can't buy back $1 million pot man. If them pot they want to blow man, you can't buy back a whole heap of pot man. You see it? Just I tell you see how I make breakfast this morning for me and my brother. So I just put the pot them out there, because they're dirty, you get me? Yeah, I don't know when I really keep dirty things in our house, you know? Ziggs, thank you so much Ziggs. you so much. Kingston, Mickey, I'm in Kingston. You know, I'm in Kingston. I'm in Kingston, people. God good here, man. I check Wi-Fi. God is so good all the time. I tell you, man. Wi-Fi could have made me go live in the hurricane, I tell you. The Wi-Fi alone. Tell the people. That is it, people. Man, people, man. God bless you. Thank you so much, Mickey. And God bless you too. They say no, right? Alright, you there Jamaica? I never know you there Jamaica. God bless you too. I never know say bush in Kingston. Now where you say, man? How if a bush there Kingston, my dog, man? They say should I get a top up car light so gone. You know say big man things still, you know say me have credit for my phone. You see me when the light gone now, I just put it on. Yeah, man. No, I don't know about St. Elizabeth as yet. I don't hear about St. Elizabeth get that hard hit, but I hear about a St. Thomas and Portland. You see me? Right. There, let's say. Yeah, man, a whole heap of bush there, man, G, man. I want to tell you, a whole heap of tree, ackee tree, guinea tree, I have mango tree, I have lime tree, pepper tree, a whole heap of tree in my yard, some backyard, man. You see me? You see the best part of it? I clean up my backyard, you know, before the hurricane, you know. Yeah, man, I clean up my backyard, man. St. Thomas, get it, man. Mickey, man. St. Thomas, get it, man. St. Thomas, get it wicked. Yeah, here. You see me? Just a pray for them out there. Nobody getting hurt. You see me? Nobody losing life and then you could think they get me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me say St. Thomas mash up Barbara, man. I tell them, man. Boy, and so for people here, you know what you see, sometimes we Jamaicans we take the shit as too light more while. Yeah, man. Clarendon too. It's a Clarendon shake up. I never know it's a bush there, Kingston. What you say, bro? Oh, leave a bush there, man. Guys, I hope you're okay. We're in the afternoon. You see me? All if you're not there, the storm. All if you're not there, Jamaica. I just hope you're alright. See me. You see me? You see me? Yeah, man. I know I'm not too long away and I'll store it up that side. Yeah, man. The whole heap of place I get it before Kingston, you know, and every win, you know. Some people I get every win before Kingston, you know. You see me? I want to say how I sleep out the whole morning and I wake up. And from I wake up, I see like it start to attack Kingston, you know. Because when I time Kingston is cool, you know. No wind, you know. Just some look of fine rain, you know. Dew rain, you know. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, you know. Then Kingston start get it, you know, man. You see me? Chicken, pig, layer in St. Thomas. I can't hear from one. Alright. Sorry for you that, you know, bro. Sorry for you that, bro, man. See, eh? Yeah, people. Sorry for you that, man. Sorry for you that. I'm going to tell you, so, you see that little thing there over there, so I'm going to show you. You see that little... that pig fowl food that, you know, but I know if the youth them take out the fowl, them supposed to take out the fowl and them supposed to prepare over there so the fowl them not really getting wet or, you see me? John Star. So people have to just give thanks, yeah, man, because at the end of the day, you know, this thing I could have rehearsed, you know, but when we mean rehearse, you know, we know see nobody a post say then house start blow off or none of them things there as yet, you get me? We don't see none of that as yet. I will not hear say nobody lose their life, so that's the greatest thing, and nobody not getting an injury, you get me? Yeah, man. As people simple as don't see me here, say, you know. But yes, man, if my rooftop if ever fly off of this grass, yeah, man. I cut out of this, man. Yeah, man. I cut right out of this, man, because you see, life can't buy back, you know. But you see, anything in your house, it can't buy back. You get me? Yeah, man. And that's why I'm not really sleeping at work here. I experienced Ivan when much younger. In 2005, I did experience Ivan, because I remember everything in Ivan. And I tell you, say, yo, John Star. Rough. I'm go and check for my chicken them now. Oh. Alright, go and check for your chicken, my friend. Yeah, raise chicken to a good move that, man. You see me? Good move that, man. Desha, man. Where you say, man? Yeah, man, go check for your chicken them, man. You see me? Beryl, experience me now. Your roof, me I cut with it. Yeah, man, you can cut with it, man. Free of cost to go with it, you know. One thing you can't take my life. Where is this? This is Kingston. Yo, everybody has to take up the plate. And a plate